guys, I'm Steff and welcome back to my beauty stash. Today we're going to be diving into the new ColourPop Garden Variety collection. Now, I was able to pick up a few products when this collection launched, and I feel like I was the last one to receive their order because I got this in about 3 days ago, and I'm just now able to sit down and film with it, but it caught my eye the minute I saw it on Instagram. I just thought that the packaging was so pretty. I mean, this is really nice. I think this might be my favorite ColourPop palette packaging wise. It's just really pretty. Also, one of the main reasons why I decided to order from this collection was this blush right here. I did pick up two of the blushes. This one is in the shade Night Bloom, and then the other one I picked up is in the shade Whole 9 Yards. So I can't wait to show you those. I also picked up the little mini spritzer set from Fourth Ray Beauty that was launched with this Garden Variety collection, and I've never tried anything from Fourth Ray Beauty, so I'm really excited to have these now in my collection. And I also picked up two of these lip oils. They came with the blushes. I had totally forgotten about that. So when I opened my package and I'm like, wait, what's this? There's a blush and a lip oil, and I completely forgot that they were packaged together. So these lip oils do correspond with the two blushes, and I'm just really excited to show you guys the look I created using this collection. And by the way, I have pretty much a full face of ColourPop going on right now. All of the products that I'm using, that I used even off camera, everything is going to be linked in the description box down below. So guys, let me go ahead and show you some swatches that I did of this collection in natural lighting so that you can see what they're going to look like on a fair to light skin tone. Then we'll get into the demo, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. If you want to see the new ColourPop Garden Variety collection in action, keep on watching. Alright guys, so let me give you my final thoughts on this new ColourPop Garden Variety collection. So let me start first with the two blushes because I really did enjoy using these two different shades. So first let's start off with the right side, and on the right I am wearing the shade Whole 9 Yards. As you can tell and as you saw in my demo, this was a very pigmented shade. You only need a little bit. Make sure to tap off your brush and then start blending it on your cheekbone. This is a really, really pretty shade. It does have maybe a little bit of a sheen to it, which I don't mind at all. I think that just gives the blush a little bit of dimension and a little bit of that something extra for your cheekbones, especially if you're not one to wear highlighter. Now, the second blush that I have over here on the left, this is the one that caught my eye. I think this is the reason why I was drawn to this Garden Variety collection, and this is the blush in Night Bloom. I thought this was so pretty. It's just a beautiful shade of like a light pink violet. It's very complimentary, and it's definitely a lighter pigmentation than this first blush was. So you can work to build this up. I went into the pan about 2 times, and that seemed to be enough to get some nice color on my cheek. This is just, I don't know, there was just something about this blush that I was drawn to, and I love that it comes with the mirror. The packaging is just super cute, guys. Again, this is the shade Night Bloom, and then the one over here on the right is Whole 9 Yards. I think ColourPop did a great job with these blushes. The next thing that I went in with was the Fourth Ray Beauty Fresh AF Energizing Mist. I had used this the minute this collection came in, and where I live, I've told you guys this before, it is super duper hot. Even inside it feels a little warm. So throughout the day, I love a good facial mist. I even use this to spray my eyeshadow brushes when I went in with some of the shimmers in the Garden Variety palette. There is a scent to this one, and there's also a scent to the Glisten Up. Now, this is the one that I used at the very end. This one does have a luminosity to it. So if you are a normal to oily skin type like me, if you're oily mainly maybe in your T-zone, on your nose, kind of refrain from spraying it in those areas. Kind of just do it maybe on the perimeters of your face, maybe a little bit on your forehead. I went in with it all over because I wanted to test it out, but I thought this was a cute little pack up. You get one that you can just totally use throughout the day, as you can this one, but I think the Fresh AF is definitely going to be more versatile, and I really did enjoy using it to spray my eyeshadow brushes to get that extra pop from the shimmer shades. One last thing to note about these is there is fragrance to them. So it's nothing that lingers. It's going to go away really quick, but just be mindful of that in case you are sensitive to fragrance in your products. Now, the next thing I want to talk about are these new lip oils. These are the ColourPop Luxe lip oils. I got the shades Rain Check, and then I got this one in the shade Local Time. Now, I want to say these left something to be desired. I was a little disappointed that they are so sheer, especially this one. Like, this just looks pretty much like a clear gloss when you apply it to the lips. This one had a little bit more pigmentation. I did go ahead and add a ColourPop Ultra Lip Stain, and this one is in the shade Frickin' Frack, and then I applied a little bit of Local Time over it, the new lip oil. But to wear on their own, they look pretty much clear. I think you're gonna need to go in with a lip liner to kind of get some pigmentation from it, but overall, guys, it's a comfortable formula, very hydrating, very smooth, but it's not going to give you pigmentation. So if you're looking for something, if you're thinking that it's going to be the shade that's in the bottle, it's not going to be. I'd rather you just pick up like a lip gloss or a lip balm maybe, or just like a glossy lipstick that ColourPop has. These are not going to really provide any color to your lips. And last but not least, we have the gorgeous Garden Variety eyeshadow palette. Guys, this palette is stunning. I think this is my favorite ColourPop palette as far as the packaging goes. I mean, these colors are just so, so pretty. I love the flowers. I love the floral detail. I do wish it came with a mirror, but that's okay. This packaging is really, really pretty. And then the shades that you get in here, these are some nice neutral with a kick shades. You have those peach tones, those purpley burgundy tones, and of course that fun pop of green. And then you do have some browns at the bottom. I thought this palette performed so, so well. Now I will say, and I showed you guys this in the demo, there is quite a bit of kick up in the pan. So just be mindful of that when you're dipping your brush into the pans. You are going to experience some kick up. However, I got very little, if any, fallout under my eyes. This is overall a really, really pretty eyeshadow palette. You get 15 shades in here, and I want to say this retails, this was like $20, $18, $22, definitely no more than like $22. Of course, everything is going to be linked for you guys to purchase in the description box down below. And if you do purchase from the links I have, some of them will be affiliated, and I thank you in advance for supporting my channel. Guys, the rest of the makeup that I have on, I'm also going to link that in the description box down below because I am using almost a full face of ColourPop. So yeah, be on the lookout for that in case you're wondering about anything that I have going on that I didn't directly show in this video. It will all be listed in the description box. So guys, what did you think of this Garden Variety ColourPop collection? Did you pick it up? Are you going to pick it up? Leave me a comment down below and let me know your thoughts. I'm gonna give it 2 thumbs up. I absolutely loved it. I loved all the products that I got, minus the lip oils. Yes, they are great. I just wish they had that pigmentation. But guys, I don't think you're gonna be disappointed with any of the products that you choose, especially the eyeshadow palette. It's gorgeous. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. You all have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water. And I will see you all very soon. Bye.